insecure and vulnerable. This is what top Indian minority representatives claim their community is feeling under the premiership of Narendra Modi. India's top Muslim body is irked with the alleged anti-minority decisions of states and the centre. We are concerned about the situation in the country, which has worsened after Narendra Modi became Prime Minister. Not only Muslims, but Christians are also feeling uncomfortable. The body stresses the right-wing forces have become active against the minority after the formation of the new government.
Narendra Damodar Das Modi,
Country's main opposition party agrees with this.
Communal forces are definitely very active these days since Narendra Modi ji has taken over the country. It is very alarming situation, and definitely in case situation continues like this, then minorities will be scared and the image of the country will come down, not only in our own country but in the whole world.
Left too sounds cawed.
What the Modi government is doing, along with its ideological mentors, of which they are a part, RSS family, they are actually undermining the very fabric of the republic that we created through our freedom struggle and by adoption of the constitution.
Once tagged with Muslim community, this insecurity wildfire has spread viciously, affecting others as well. A spate of attacks on churches across India is prompting people and thinkers to ask if Christians are under siege in the country.
The Constitution of India provides equal rights to everybody. Now, if the church is not protected by the government and cannot be given security, then we need to question what is the government doing.
Home Minister Rajnath Singh, meanwhile, pledges full protection to minorities. The feeling of insecurity among minorities was there during the regime of the Congress. We, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, are working hard to store back their sense of security. As per the census data, percentage of Muslim population in India is 13.4%, while Christians constitute 2.3%. Modi, leader of the Hindu National Party, was elected in a stunning majority last year, toppling the long-ruling Congress dynasty. With hardline Hindu groups aligned with Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party, his win has always been viewed as their time to drive an ultra-conservative social and cultural agenda.